In this video, we will see the ISATIN synthesizer. ISATIN is an indole derivative found in a variety of vegetables. ISATIN is an antimicrobial and is used as a raw material for the synthesis of various drugs for the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases. The synthesis of ISATIN is divided into two parts. The first is obtained isonitrosoacetanilide by aniline reaction with chloral hydrate and hydroxylammonium chloride. To obtain isonitrosoacetanilide, blend into a 500 ml flask a solution of 2.66 grams of aniline in 12 ml of water and 1.8 ml of hydrochloric acid. Using a solid funnel adds 4.4 grams of hydroxylammonium chloride and 60 ml of water. (25 grams of anhydrous sodium sulfate, 3.6 grams of chloral hydrate and 60 ml of water. Bring to a boil in 15 minutes and keep boiling under reflux for 4 minutes. Remove the heat and cool with water. Then with ice or a mixture of cooling. I use a mixture of propylene glycol water 70-30% that I keep in the freezer. Collect the solid by suction and dry at 60 degrees Celsius. (2.8 grams isonitrosoacetanilide were obtained. Determine the melting point of 178 to 180 degrees Celsius. In the second stage, a cyclization of isonitrosoacetanilide with a strong acid such as concentrated sulfuric acid. The resulting isonitrosoacetanilide is added to a 100 ml Erlenmeyer with 25 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and a temperature monitoring thermometer. Add the isonitrosoacetanilide to the flask in small portions, maintaining the temperature between 60 and 70 degrees Celsius. Once all the isonitroacetanilide has been added, stir for 20 minutes and pour more than 150 grams of ice with heavy stirring. Wash the flask 2 times with a small amount of water. Stir for 30 minutes until a precipitous orange appears. Collect the precipitate by vacuum filtration and wash 2 times with a little icy water. It is left to dry in an oven at 80 C or in a desiccator. The quantity of a product obtained was 0.8 grams. The theoretical melting point for ISATIN is 196 to 198 degrees Celsius and the actual melting point for our ISATIN was 152. For purifying ISATIN, it is crystallized with glacial acetic acid. 4.4 grams of raw ISATIN was diluted with 26 ml of boiling glacial acetic acid. Allow to cool to room temperature, then store in the refrigerator overnight. The mixture has frozen. We put it into a filter funnel and let it come up at room temperature. We activate the vacuum to remove the acetic acid and collect the purified isatin. We dry it in a kiln at 80 C. Purified isatin has a defined melting point of 191 degrees Celsius.